Tristan, hey. Oh, big yawn. Oh. Are you ready to go home? Or you want to stay in Montana? Do you? Yeah? You want to go to the beach? Do you? Or you want to play in the snow? What you want to do? Yeah. What? Huh? What's the plan? Yeah? What's the plan? Happy Easter? Huh? What? Yeah, it's Easter. It sure is. Yeah. What's he doing? Oh, so big. Our big boy. Yeah? Yeah? Are you getting mad? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.